Alright guys, welcome back to a brand new video, and in today's video, I'm going to be scripting your funny ideas again. This is part 6. You guys keep watching them and honestly so fun to make, so I'm going to keep making them. Be sure to leave a like if you enjoy it, let me know that you do. And also, 85% of you guys aren't subscribed to my channel. Like, what are you doing, okay? You're missing out on so many videos, so subscribe right now. That way you can see them all. Alright, anyways, let's get started. Alright, so for the first one here, I actually already have some set up, but the idea is, whenever you say, I'm going to focus, the person will be lying in bed watching YouTube. Okay? Sounds like real life sometimes. So let's go ahead and see if this works. Alright, so as you can see, you're in your bed, okay, and you've had a long day for procrastinating, okay? You keep saying you're going to do something, but you don't do it. So you finally type in the chat, you're like, man, I'm going to focus for real this time. And as you can see, you type it in the chat, and you run to your bed, you turn around, you jump down, and the covers come over, and then before you know it, your TV's on and you're watching YouTube again, okay? This is literally like real life. But as you can see, this is what happens when you say you're going to focus. So instead of saying it, just do it maybe. All right, next. All right, so for the next one we got, idea. Whenever someone says, I'm not a baby, their mom comes in and spoon feeds them. Okay? That sounds kind of funny, but here we go. Alright, so let's say you're just chilling at the park, okay? You're with your imaginary friend here. Actually, he's real this time. But you're just chilling on the park bench, just kind of sitting here. And your friend decides, he decides to be rude, okay? He's like, bro, why are you such a baby, okay? And you're not a baby, okay? That's messed up. You don't call your friends babies. So you just tell them, right? I'm not a baby, okay? And you say it, and as you can see, you turn to your right, and your mom comes running at you saying, here's the choo-choo train. Okay, so, I guess you are a baby. Okay, next. Idea. Whenever someone says, I'm sad, a turtle falls from the sky and starts to follow you around and tells you compliments. This one actually sounds pretty heartwarming, so I want to make this. Alright, so let's say you're having just a horrible day, man. You're like, man, today has been so bad. I'm so sad right now. I wish I had friends, okay? And you just say it, and life couldn't get any worse, and you have no friends, man. And you're just walking, and oh, out of nowhere, this turtle's like, you're a genius. I appreciate you. And it follows you around everywhere you go. It's like, you look great today. Oh, it's so nice, dude. It's kind of cute, actually. It's like, I like your style. And it says a bunch of different random compliments. I appreciate you. Oh, it's actually so nice, dude. It's like a cute little turtle. And as you can see, it says one of the random comments. Now, why did it pick the 3 ones in a row? It's like, I'm grateful to know you. Oh, like, it's actually kind of cute. I like it. I'm glad I added this. Have a wonderful day. Yo, it's so nice. Okay, but yeah, this is my pet turtle, and he's a nice guy. That was actually a good idea for whoever commented that. Alright, next. Idea. Whenever you say something like, this game sucks, it gives you B tools in a message that says, okay, do it better then. Okay, I want to make that. Alright, so as you can see, you're going for a walk in your game, okay, and you realize, you're like, wait, this game sucks, okay, and you're playing this game, and you're like, wow, this game sucks. So you type in the chat like usual, you let everybody know, you're like, man, this game sucks, okay, and you say it, and out of nowhere, oh really? You think it sucks? Make it better then. And it gives you B tools. So as you can see, we can build a new game. Okay, so you just grab a wall here, you put it like that. You have another wall. And before you know it, you build a better game than the old developer could. Yeah, honestly, it's actually a good script. Like, I feel like all games should have this, okay? This is, the way this guy talked was so funny. Okay. Alright, for the next one we got, idea. Every time you move, a 95% transparent clone of you appears. Okay, this one sounds cool. It's not really like a funny idea, but it just sounds kind of cool, so I want to try making it. Alright, so actually all you literally do is spawn in the game, and as you can see, immediately, clones start spawning behind you. And that actually looks so sick. Like, they just literally just walk behind you like it's like a big trail. And it copies your position and everything. So if you jump, as you can see, they even jump. Okay, you spin around, do like this, they keep following you. And yeah, you could like draw something. I don't know. I would write subscribe, but that would take like ages. So just subscribe. Yeah. But yeah, it's pretty cool actually. I like how that works. Wait, let me make my movement speed higher. I want to see if that makes it any cooler. And as you can see, oh no, okay, it's actually starting to lag a little bit too. Jeez, this game's getting laggy. But as you can see, it still follows you. Kind of cool though, I like this. Alright, next. Whenever you say, I'm excited for Christmas, you literally get covered in an unescapable pile of presents. Okay, let's make it. Alright, so it's coming to that time of year where everyone's giving you presents, okay? Christmas time is coming up. Alright, and you type in the chat, you're like, man, I'm so excited for Christmas. I'm excited for Christmas. And as you can see, what happens is, all right, you know, you make your little wish there and watch. Wait, it didn't work. Okay, anyways, so you make a little wish there, and as you can see, it's already lagging. Oh my, okay, there they are. Okay, so as you can see, you're in an unescapable pile of presents. You literally can't move. So, yeah, this is Christmas, I guess. I literally can't get out. Like, it's impossible. But, okay, anyways, yeah, that's... Okay, next. All right, now for the next one, we got another pretty heartwarming one. So, whenever you say you're sad, everyone comes up to you and hugs you. That actually seems pretty cool. Alright, so you're going for a walk in the park like usual, okay, having a nice day, but then, suddenly, depression strikes, okay? It's no longer a nice day. You're actually sad. And this guy is bullying you. He goes, ha, you're a loser. You have no friends. So, obviously, that makes you kind of sad. He's right. I literally have no friends. You say in the chat, you're like, man, I'm so sad, man. I honestly just wish I had some friends, okay? You say it, and what happens is, suddenly, everyone's your friend. They all come up to you, and they give you a big hug. They're like, it's okay, we're here for you. They just kind of crush you, I guess. But that works, too. Oh, there's the hug. Oh, okay. It's actually kind of cool, though. Like, they're all so nice, and they just, like, look right at you. Honestly, it actually makes you feel like they're kind of your friend. It's kind of nice. Like, everyone just has, like, a big circle. Oh my gosh, okay. Next. Alright, so for the next one we got, whenever you sit on a chair, it says no and it breaks. Okay, let's make that. Alright, this was pretty simple, man, but as you can see, you're having a long day. You finally go take a seat in your chair and no. And it just broke. Okay. I don't know why it said it again, but yeah, as you can see, that's what happens when you try to sit in a chair. It just breaks, man. You're having a bad day. Alright, well, that is the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys did enjoy it like always. Be sure to leave a like if you did. It helps me out a lot. Okay, smash the like button. And subscribe if you haven't already. Like I said, guys, 85% of you guys aren't subbed, which is insane. So subscribe. That way you don't miss out on any future videos just like this one. But yeah, use your tap when you buy Robux. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.